Hello gardeners and plant lovers. Today we're showcasing the LZPTYYSN Gardening Gift, set designed especially for women who love to garden. This beautiful purple set includes essential tools like a hand rake, trowel, transplanter, pruner, spray bottle, gloves, and a sturdy garden tote with floral prints. Each tool is made from heavy-duty cast aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and resistance to rust or breakage. The ergonomic rubber handles reduce hand fatigue, making gardening easier and more comfortable. The large capacity tote features 8 exterior pockets and elastic loops to keep tools organized and accessible. Plus, the set includes a stylish 20-ounce stainless steel tumbler with double-wall insulation to keep drinks hot or cold during gardening sessions. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for beginners and avid gardeners alike, wrapped in a lovely box with a greeting card. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.